Good morning everyone. So today is day 7, our last and final day here in Aruba. We just finished packing. We're probably gonna check out the superfoods one more last time to see if we can grab some last minute like snacks for the flight and do car wash and return our rental car, hopefully with no other damages or whatnot. And then yeah, we'll be home in less than 9 hours. Overall, how was your trip, Angeline?
Amazing!
Highly recommend?
Yes!
Island is so small but so big and it has so many different things that you could do. I think we did literally almost everything. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Everything I did is in the description box below of all these different videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share to all your traveler friends. And I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye! Bye. Come to Splash and Dash, everyone, because everything else is by hand. Push. Alright, car dropped. Heading to the airport. It's always nice to make sure no extra charges are. And she said we're good. So, yeah, now we're gonna go. We cleaned our bag inside Aruba to give it back to Aruba. Alright, I literally just got through everything because we put in more time for you to come because the customs and everything for US, to go back into the US, is very small, so it takes a long time. Like, it took me over an hour and now I'm running to my gate because they're boarding. Woo!
More comfortable, sit on the pushback and show you what works.
Space! Alright, and now I am back in America. Customs sucked, but it was way better than Aruba, so I can't complain. But yeah, now I'm waiting for my mom to get here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!